Now we are ready for post-production. You can use any video editing software that has compositing and chroma key. For this tutorial, I am using Vegas Pro. Now import your video to the project. Now, I always use the best setting because I want my video to be as HD as possible. People love good quality video, don't you? Okay, now we have the background. Click on Event Pen Crop Tools. Now we are going to composite the scene. So I will open a new layer. I'm going to drag the video. And then I'm going to remove the green screen or the green color using Vegas chroma key. And then I will go to color, go to the color picker tool and select the color green. And as you can see, it removes all the green color, but you need to double check. To do this, you're going to click show mask only, tick that, and you can see the white color, and the transparency on the Habbo equals ghostly effect or opacity on the Habbo character. So you need to make sure that the character is white, is solid white, no transparency whatsoever. So you have to play with the settings a little bit until you get the solid white color. So after you've done it, untick the show mask only and then we are going to composite the pixel Habbo to the to the real Habbo, I think so, to the background. So we're going to composite it very seamlessly. Okay, this is for the white shot. And yes. Okay, now this is for the close-up shot. I am going to composite it again and repeat the same steps all over again, but different compositing settings. Remember that we made another pixel that the head was separated from the body. Now I have another background which I made earlier. Okay, as usual, we are going to composite it. Okay, zoom in. And insert video track. Okay, as you can see, okay, now we are going to remove the green color. As usual, check the settings, and then we are going to put it there, and then we are going to composite it onto the background, and then we are going to duplicate the layer because we need to separate the head from the body. Okay, we can use masking for this. Click on mask. Click on mask. Make sure it's unticked. Make sure it's ticked. And then we are going to cut it out. So we need the head first. Okay. Make sure. Okay, now we have the head. Now we need to separate the body. As click on mask and then crop the body out, and we have it. Make sure that the head is on the top of the layer, and then we make sure, okay, now we have it all. Now change to position and compensate the body and move the head to the body, so it looks like the head is on top of the body, so it looks alive, I think. Now I have made, this is the static version, and now we are going to make the moving version. The head is moving version. So I'm going to copy this video, and then I'm going to event pen crop tool, and then I'm going to position, and then as you can see we can move the head, and then you have, when you activate the scene cursor on, whenever you move your marker and do some changes on the frame, a keyframe will automatically appear, which means that all those changes are applied on the video. The longer the keyframe, the slower the animation will be. If the shorter the keyframe, the faster the animation will be. As you can see, all those changes has produced. As you can see, keyframes are created automatically when you do some changes on event pen crop tab. So this is the final result. Okay, first we start with, and now we are ready to render. Okay, I'm going to add some lens flare to the scene, to giving it like the finishing touch. Yes, this is very pretty. This is very beautiful. I really like that. Okay, I'm going to put on the right screen, maybe lower. Yes, okay, a bit lower. Now I'm going to select this scene for rendering, and then I'm going to put a name and wait for the video to render. So basically that is how you do the post-production before you go final production.